Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health. Today's video will be a quick guide on how to attach your Vive Bathtub Rail. I have the Vive Bathtub Rail here. You can break it down by the parts. You've got the handle up here, the tension lever here, which turns clockwise or counterclockwise to tighten or loosen the adjustable clamp back here. There's pads on both sides. Now, the rail can be attached with the adjustment handle outside or inside the tub. Doesn't really matter. For demonstration's sake, I'll attach it with that lever outside. Now, when you first unbox it, you may need to turn the handle counterclockwise a few times. That will open up some room in the clamp so that you can fit it over the edge of your tub. Once it's there, turn the knob clockwise until it clamps securely. Now, when you reach a point where the clamp is almost tightened fully, you'll notice if you tighten it too much, you won't be able to push this lever all the way down. That lever, when pushed down, locks the clamp in place. So, just give it a counterclockwise turn to loosen it a bit. Push that back down. Now that clamp is locked in place. It's nice and secure, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.